Let it bang, bang.
In this section we will look at bubble sort. Bubble sort is a very easiest technique. If you are new to sorting, then you can start with it. Bubble sort is the basic technique. When we at every iteration, after every iteration we receive a largest element at the end, and it works by swapping the adjacent elements like 1 and 4, and in the next step it will sort 4 3, and the next will be 4 2. So like this the sorting happened. I made this to save time, and as we can see certain trends, like when we go here we can see that we have to iterate an array for over n minus 1 times. Or here we have 5 elements, so we have to iterate 4 times. And in the y-axis what we see that we have to iterate the element n minus 1 times, minus at each step we have decreased the amount of steps. So these steps we call it n minus 1. In the first step, if we see that we have to sort it 4 times, and after these 4 times we can see that this first step is successfully executed and fifth element is sorted. So we have to execute this n minus 1 time, but this we have to execute n minus 1 time minus 1 time. The one step is reduced, and similarly if we go from here, the one step is also reduced. So what we write here is we will write I. What I means here is the number of rows we will iterate through. Now we will implement it in the programmatical way for a better understanding.
Let it bang, bang.